is a sick lad, and I don't know his condition. I'm pleading that the federal government and Amechi, who is the minister for transportation, should come to our assistance. I'm pleading.
Even sick at the moment with no medical supply. So we're pleading with you to please come to our aid.
Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'd. We are the people that capture these people in the train along Abuja and
so even come play for artillery.
So they are
As
appealing
them
to us saying that they
kidnap
wanted
people
to
will be
talk to the
travel go
government.
Kaduna to
So we
Abuja
give them
for
chance to
training.
talk to the
They
federal
be don't
government.
release
It's
another
not for
video
you to
again.
listen to
So
them
facing
or
the video
abandon
of them people will be in the kidnapping. See
My
this
name
matter.
is
If you
Mariama
come on water
Abubakar
for
Bobo.
the Irene,
I
these
was
people be
one
the
of
beg.
those
But then just try
that train
they just try.
4 of my children and my husband. We are appealing to the federal government and our families and everyone that can to please come to our aid. We've been here for 62 days in an unfavorable, inhabitable condition, unimaginable. We've been sick. In fact, one of my sons, 2 of them are.
We are appealing to the federal government to please come to our aid before we start losing our lives.
My name is Gladys Bome, Amore. I'm appealing particularly to Professor Yemi Oshibanjo, who was my classmate, 78-79 law school. You are a grandfather.
My name is Sadiq Ango Abdullahi, one of the captives of the Abuja Kaduna train attacks. We are appealing to the federal government to once again come to our aid. We've been here for 62 days. Most of us here are sick and we are not in good condition, and every day the situation gets deteriorating.